Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to get two-player on Animal Crossing New Horizons. To start, ensure one player is the resident representative. Other players need a registered user profile on your Nintendo Switch. Once ready, the resident representative should open their Nook phone in the game and select the Call Resident app to invite another player to join the fun on your island. After selecting Call Resident, a list of your island's residents will appear. Choose the character you want to invite. The second player will then need to pick up a separate Joy-Con or a Pro controller. They will press the L and R buttons simultaneously to confirm their entry into the game, joining you on your island adventure. In local co-op, the player who started the session becomes the leader, and the invited player is the follower. The follower cannot access their inventory, tools, or Nook phone directly. However, they can still collect items, catch fish, and bugs. Any items they gather will automatically transfer to the Resident Services box for the leader to retrieve. The leader can easily switch roles with the follower by using the Call Resident app again and selecting Change Leader. When the co-op session ends, all items collected by the follower are automatically deposited into the recycle box at Resident Services. To conclude the multiplayer session, the leader simply opens their Nook phone and selects End Co-op.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.